Introduction. The stock market has suffered heavy losses, the housing market has been very shaky, and the Federal Reserve interest rate has only gotten higher and higher. All of these points towards an impending recession are most likely coming sooner rather than later. With the stock market recently hitting its year-long all-time low, we've officially entered a bear market, or a period where stock markets are at a decreased value for a prolonged period of time. The recession can be a scary time where even paying the basic necessities can be a burden to some. But to others, this is the perfect opportunity to start investing. We've entered a bear market, meaning that the overall stock market is down 20%. This can be attributed to the increase in the Federal Reserve interest rates, inflation, and the reduction of influx of free cash to businesses and people. While this news may hurt current stockholders, this is a golden opportunity for those only getting into stocks now. The recession is more probable than not, and it's bound to come sooner rather than later. While it's a scary situation to some, it's a golden opportunity to start investing. Knowing what to invest in and how to invest in stocks is essential, especially when doing so during a shaky period.